Beautiful mountain retreat with breathtaking layered mountain views. This exquisite 3-bedroom, 3-bath well-maintained home with a bedroom on each level. Very low maintenance with hardy board siding. Enjoy the open concept design featuring a spacious living room, kitchen, and dining area that flow effortlessly together, perfect for entertaining. Relax on the inviting screened porch while soaking in the serene natural beauty. The main level boasts a master suite and convenient laundry room, making single-level living a breeze. Venture to the full, finished terrace level, which includes an office, ideal for remote work or creative endeavors. A large loft area provides additional space for a second office or reading nook with a bedroom/bath. The property features 2 fireplaces, a detached 2-car garage with abundant storage and workspace, bonus room above the garage, and a separate workshop, perfect for hobbyists or a craft room. This home is on 2